Yo, what is up? Damn, it's good to be vlogging again. I haven't been vlogging, although I have been posting podcasts. I've started my own podcast. If you guys want to check it out, check it out here. Podcast. It's actually fun talking about myself. I gotta say, it's really fun talking about myself. I am in a phase of just introducing myself to my podcast audience. But if you guys want to know more about Japan, check out my podcast. I'm doing it with my friend right now, and it's going great. I really like it. It's really fun. But today I am meeting. It's really. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people. I don't know why. It is a Saturday, but still a lot of people. Forgot my mask. God damn it. So I've actually arrived at the place where me and my friend is gonna meet. Asakusa actually. I don't know why, but I forgot Asakusa is where the big gate was, and I was actually lost in the station, like where am I supposed to go? I don't know. My head's not really. Plus I haven't eaten, so I'm a little bit early, which is the first. I'm like 1 hour early, so I'm gonna find some food and then wait for her somewhere. We're gonna do like a photo shoot. She wants to learn how to use a camera. So I'm here to teach how to use a camera and do a photo shoot. I don't know where to go. I came to this cafe and waiting for my friend. Yeah, and she's been here. Great. She knows the place. Alright, I met up with my friend. She's she's a little bit camera shy, but yeah, we're gonna learn a little bit of some camera work and take some photos. Came to this like another side of Asakusa that I've never been. It's like this lake, sea, not the sea. 川ってなんだっけ英語? Is it a river? I don't know. It's the lake. I don't know. It's the sky tree. We're gonna take some photos and then I don't know. To be honest. Take some this bridge that's relatively new. We've got like this. We're on this beautiful river. Oh, it is a river. Is it I don't know. Night boat. We got a night boat. I don't know. So we're going to the other side of どこだっけ? Asakusa? Sumidagawa. Oh, this is Sumidagawa. Oh. Apparently we are at Sumida River. Yeah, it is a river. We're on the Sumida River. Yeah, sorry, it's not a lake. It's a river. So we're going on the other side of the Sumida River and then, I don't know, getting closer to the sky tree. And then tonight we're going to Shibuya and take more photos, a little bit of photos, and then she got to go out with her friends. to go change. We're here at we're here at Miyashita Park. It's a very new park here in Shibuya. I've always known that it was here, but I did not know that it was a park. I thought it was like another thing that Japanese just put park on. I don't know. But it's actually a good park. It's on the roof. It's a roof park. I really thought it was just a name and a mall, but it's actually a park. Apparently there's a bunch of stuff up here. Yeah. Oh fuck me. Shit. I'm tired of the stairs. Yo, they got a bouldering. They got a rock climbing thing going on. Skateboarding. They got skateboarding, bouldering, and then soccer. Right? And they got a little bit of a beach thing going on, but they got some soccer goals, so I don't know what it is. Beach soccer. Beach soccer, I've never heard of it, but they got beach. Wow, I've never been up here. It's really nice. It is a park, not just another name that Japanese put on. Did not know that. I learned something today.